Hello, this is Miss Waddy. I wanted to talk to you about your performance-based assessment that you're going to be doing. So you're going to be paired with your classmate over the next 3 modules. You and your classmate are going to work on a performance-based assessment together. So here's the premise. You and your partner have successfully completed your allied health credential, continue to get your RN, and are now nurse practitioners. You work at Johns Hopkins Bayview Hospital in Baltimore City, and you're where this is both a hospital and a research center. Both of you are selected to start a committee on educating all of healthcare workers at the location on the importance of empathy and caregiving. You will be reviewing the material and the assignments that I post over the next 3 modules, and you are free to refer to or to use any of them as references in your final project. Each module lasts 1 week from Sunday until Saturday at 11:59 p.m., and your final project is due at the end of the 3rd week. It will be a group wiki page collaboration with you and your teammate. You are free to post videos, links, and other pages, reviews of journals, or any compelling information as long as you reference it properly. The link below shows an example that was completed on cybersecurity, cyber safety, and cyber ethics. And so what I wanted to do is show you what this looks like. Okay, so here's the wiki page. Here is the header and what the page is about. And as you scroll through, this was actually geared toward both parents and younger students about cybersecurity, cyber safety, and cyber ethics. And there is a little bit of a blurb overview, and there is some videos that the students thought were important. Here are some definitions. And here are some additional videos that were compelling. And here is an overview of some nice tips. Some more videos. And a review of information that was given on some journals. So a wiki page is essentially a mashup of videos, journal article links, reviews of articles, some tips and some ideas that all focus on one specific topic. So you and your partner are going to collaborate on that over the next 3 weeks, and this submission that you are going to turn in will act as your midterm grade. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to email me. We can set up a face-to-face visit, or we can set up a online video. Since this is an online class, the online video will probably be more convenient to you, and that will be serve as our face-to-face time. We can use Google Hangouts or a variety of different types of media to support this. So I look forward to seeing what you come up with. And it's important to start right away in the first module. So in the first module, you will be assigned to your partner, and the 2 of you can start getting to know each other right away and working on the assignment. Talk to you soon.